Hi everybody, I am Dr. Chiara Adorini and I'm a veterinarian from Italy. I've been spending quite a few years improving my knowledge in the fields of veterinary medicine in the United States. Within this experience that lasted over a few years, I got certified in veterinary medical acupuncture, rehabilitation and canine sports medicine. I've been in contact with the best doctors out there, and I'll be always grateful for the things I've learned overseas. When I came back to Italy, I kept working in rehab for animals and I started using Globus vet equipments. Now I will show you a few explainer videos that will focus on different technologies made by Globus. I will go through each theoretic and practical guidelines for a correct use of these equipments when applied to our veterinary patients. Video series would be useful for understanding applied technologies, understanding how to use each equipment, making a list of frequent clinical conditions where these technologies are used, and giving you a series of clinical cases where I will explain you frequency of application, parameters used, and expected outcomes. Now enjoy!